In a village nestled among the hills, a reign of terror reigned as a ferocious tiger prowled the surrounding forests. For months, this striped menace had struck fear into the hearts of the villagers, preying upon their livelihoods and even claiming the lives of innocent children. Desperate to put an end to the rampage, the villagers devised a cunning plan. Setting a trap laced with bait, they successfully ensnared the beast and confined it within a sturdy cage, placing it prominently by the roadside as a grim reminder of the danger that lurked nearby. With each passing traveler, the tale of the captured tiger spread, eliciting both awe and trepidation. Inside the cage, the tiger languished, deprived of sustenance and freedom. Yet, even in captivity, its primal instincts remained sharp. Desperation drove the tiger to plead with every passerby, promising safety in exchange for release. But such vows fell upon deaf ears, for who could trust the word of a creature stained with the blood of their kin? Hope flickered faintly when a lone traveler, moved by compassion, offered to heed the tiger's plea. With trembling hands, the traveler unfastened the cage's latch, guided by the tiger's solemn oath of nonviolence. Yet, as freedom beckoned, the tiger's hunger roared louder than its conscience. In a moment of betrayal, the beast lunged forward, claws bared and fangs glistening, intent on claiming its unwitting savior as its next meal. Terrified and defenseless, the traveler's desperate pleas for mercy echoed through the forest glade. "But you promised!" the traveler cried, clinging to the fragile thread of trust that had bound them together. Yet, in the tiger's eyes, hunger eclipsed honor, and the promise lay shattered upon the forest floor. Amidst the chaos, a sly fox emerged from the shadows, drawn by the scent of deceit. With keen eyes and a cunning wit, the fox observed the unfolding drama with detached curiosity. "I don't believe that such a mighty beast could be contained within such a small cage," the fox remarked, its words laden with skepticism. Intrigued, the tiger sought to prove the fox wrong, confident in its ability to bend iron to its will. With a sinuous grace, the tiger re-entered the cage, a testament to its strength and defiance. But as the cage's door swung shut with a resounding click, the truth dawned upon the deceived predator. The fox's cunning had outmatched the tiger's strength, and the traveler slipped away to safety, guided by the wisdom of skepticism and the virtue of discernment. In the end, it was not brute force, but cleverness that triumphed, proving that even the mightiest of beasts could be ensnared by their own hubris. The moral of this tale echoes through the ages, a timeless reminder of the perils of deceit and the importance of trust. Just as the tiger's broken promise led to its downfall, so too does falsehood breed mistrust and betrayal. Yet, in the face of deception, it is the discerning mind and the vigilant heart that prevail, guiding us through the labyrinth of deceit towards the light of truth and integrity.